Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send avatar stickers in Facebook Messenger. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Facebook Messenger app and browse through your conversations. Click on the conversation where you want to send an avatar sticker. This could be a chat with a friend, family member, or any group conversation you're part of. Once you're inside the conversation, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen where the text input field is located. Right beside this text field, you'll notice an emoji icon. Go ahead and click on it. This icon opens up your sticker and emoji library, giving you access to various ways to express yourself beyond regular text messages. After clicking the emoji icon, you'll see several options appear at the bottom of your screen. Look for the avatar icon, which typically looks like a human face or a person's silhouette. This is where all your personalized avatar stickers are stored. Click on this avatar icon to access your collection of custom avatar stickers that reflect different emotions and actions. Now you'll see a variety of avatar stickers displayed on your screen. These stickers are based on your personalized Facebook avatar and come in different poses, expressions, and moods. Take a moment to browse through them and choose the one that best fits what you want to communicate in your message. Whether you want to show excitement, laughter, confusion, or any other emotion, there's likely a sticker that matches perfectly. Once you've found the avatar sticker you want to use, simply click on it. The sticker will be sent immediately to your conversation, adding a fun and personalized touch to your message. Your avatar stickers make conversations more engaging and expressive compared to regular text. And that's it. You've successfully sent an avatar sticker in Facebook Messenger, making your conversations more lively and personal. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.